Namaskar, an Indian greeting for hello and swagatam. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Kajal Vora, and today we will be making a wholesome, delicious, healthy, oil-free, naturally sweetened granola. Granola can be enjoyed in so many different ways. It's perfect for breakfast, snack, dessert, and even eating by the handful. Unfortunately, most store-bought granolas have added oils and sugars in it. But don't worry, you will see that this recipe is super easy and doesn't take much at all. So let's begin. We will begin with removing pits for 1 cup of dates into a food processor, then add half cup of tahini. Tahini is a paste made from sesame seeds and is a staple in many cuisines, especially in the Mediterranean and Middle East. It's now one of my favorite items in my kitchen. Also add 3 tablespoons of water and blend the mixture until it's smooth and creamy. Chop 1 cup of mixed nuts. I used almonds and walnuts, but you can use any combination of raw nuts, perhaps chopped pecans, chopped cashew nuts. To a big bowl, add 3 cups of rolled oats. Add 1 cup of chopped mixed nuts, half a cup of raw seeds, half cup of any dried fruits. I chose a mix of raisins and goji berries, half a teaspoon of cinnamon or cardamom powder for some flavor, and the dates tahini paste we just combined from the food processor. Mix it all with your hands or a spoon until it's thoroughly combined. Scoop out the mixture onto the prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. Spread the mixture as evenly as you can by pressing down with your hands or the back of a spoon. Bake it at 300 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, removing once to just shake it up and put it back in the oven. The granola is ready when it turns golden brown. Do let it cool completely before storing it in an airtight container. This granola can last for a few weeks in an airtight container, but in my house, it disappears in less than a week. This is my most favorite item to add to a smoothie bowl, along with some fruits, some berries, and coconut flakes. You can even eat it as breakfast cereal by adding it to a bowl and add a variety of fruits and pour over a plant-based milk for a super healthy start to your day. You can also add it to a jar of plant-based yogurt and top it off with some berries and coconut flakes for a great to-go breakfast or a snack. Perhaps add it as a topping for chia seed pudding along with some berries. The options are endless.
And most importantly, you won't feel guilty of enjoying this healthy treat. It's granola made with wholesome, healthy ingredients and no added oils or sugars.
I hope you enjoyed this easy and wholesome way of making granola. If you like this video, it's always great to get a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, do subscribe. Until next video, from my heart to yours, namaste.